Ivermectin is a well-known drug. It has been used for decades to treat parasitic infections. Now, scientists are exploring a new potential use for ivermectin fighting cancer. Recent studies in 2024 suggest that ivermectin might be effective against a variety of cancers. This is exciting news in the world of oncology. Researchers are still in the early stages of understanding how ivermectin might work against cancer. It appears to target several key processes involved in cancer cell growth and survival. These processes include apoptosis, which is programmed cell death, autophagy, the self-eating of cells, and DNA damage repair. By disrupting these processes, ivermectin may be able to stop cancer cells from multiplying and spreading. The drug also seems to enhance the effectiveness of other cancer treatments. This opens up possibilities for new combination therapies. The repurposing of existing drugs like ivermectin for cancer treatment is a growing area of research. It holds immense promise for finding safer and more affordable cancer therapies. Ivermectin's potential in this field is definitely worth further investigation. Bladder cancer is a common and often aggressive type of cancer. Researchers are constantly searching for new treatment options. A 2024 study by Fan and colleagues has provided encouraging results regarding ivermectin's potential against bladder cancer. The study found that ivermectin effectively killed bladder cancer cells in the lab. It did this by triggering apoptosis, a process of programmed cell death. Ivermectin also increased the production of reactive oxygen species, or ROS, in the cancer cells. ROS are unstable molecules that can damage cells, ultimately leading to their death. Furthermore, ivermectin interfered with the ATM/P53 pathway. This crucial pathway is involved in DNA repair and cell cycle regulation. Malfunctions in this pathway are often implicated in cancer development. These findings suggest that ivermectin holds promise as a potential therapeutic agent for bladder cancer. Further research is needed to determine its efficacy and safety in humans. Lung adenocarcinoma is a common and deadly form of lung cancer. Manuel Lee and colleagues conducted a study in 2024 to see how ivermectin would affect this type of cancer. Their findings revealed a fascinating mechanism of action. Ivermectin was found to inhibit a process known as autophagy in lung adenocarcinoma cells. Autophagy is like a cellular recycling system. It helps cells to survive under stress by breaking down and reusing their own components. In the case of cancer, autophagy can sometimes backfire. It can actually help cancer cells survive and resist treatment. The research showed that ivermectin's ability to block autophagy in lung adenocarcinoma cells was linked to the downregulation of a protein called PAC1. PAC1 is known to be involved in cancer cell growth and survival. By blocking autophagy and downregulating PAC1, ivermectin effectively starved the lung cancer cells. This prevented them from growing and spreading. This research further strengthens the case for investigating ivermectin as a potential treatment for lung cancer. The excitement surrounding ivermectin stems from its potential to act on multiple pathways involved in cancer development. This multi-targeted approach is highly desirable in cancer therapy. It makes it harder for cancer cells to develop resistance to the treatment. A 2024 review by Kaur et al. Highlighted ivermectin's effects on various hallmarks of cancer. These include sustained proliferative signaling. Ivermectin appears to interfere with the signaling pathways that drive uncontrolled cancer cell growth, evading growth suppressors. The drug may restore the function of tumor suppressor genes, which normally keep cell growth in check, resisting cell death. Ivermectin has been shown to induce apoptosis, bypassing cancer cells' resistance to programmed death, inducing angiogenesis. Ivermectin might inhibit the formation of new blood vessels that supply tumors with nutrients, thus starving them, activating invasion and metastasis. The drug may prevent cancer cells from breaking away from the primary tumor and spreading to other parts of the body. These findings suggest that ivermectin's potential in cancer treatment goes beyond just killing cancer cells directly. It may also help to prevent or delay the progression of the disease. The potential of ivermectin extends beyond solid tumors like bladder and lung cancer. Research in 2024 has shown promising results in using ivermectin to combat glioma, a type of brain cancer, and multiple myeloma, a cancer of the plasma cells. Xing Hu et al. Conducted a study on glioma. They found that ivermectin inhibited the growth of glioma cells. It also induced apoptosis in these cells, leading to their death. This suggests that ivermectin might be a valuable addition to the arsenal of treatments for glioma, a particularly challenging cancer to treat. Similarly, research by Yang Song et al. Focused on multiple myeloma. Their study revealed that ivermectin effectively killed multiple myeloma cells in the lab. It did this by inducing apoptosis and blocking the cell cycle. These findings provide hope for new treatment options for multiple myeloma patients. These studies highlight the potential of ivermectin in treating a diverse range of cancers. They emphasize the need for further research to unlock its full therapeutic potential. While ivermectin alone shows promise against cancer, researchers are exploring its potential in combination with other treatments. The goal is to enhance its effectiveness and overcome drug resistance. Goldfarb et al. 2024 demonstrated that combining ivermectin with a lipid-restricted media enhanced its cancer-killing effects. Cancer cells rely heavily on lipids or fats for their growth and proliferation. By restricting lipid availability, the researchers created an environment where ivermectin could more effectively target and destroy cancer cells. In another study, Newell et al. 2024 found that combining ivermectin with nuclear transport inhibitors boosted its efficacy. Nuclear transport is crucial for cancer cell survival. Blocking this process disrupts the communication between the cell's nucleus and the rest of the cell. This makes cancer cells more vulnerable to ivermectin's effects. These studies highlight the potential of combining ivermectin with other therapies. This approach could lead to more effective and personalized cancer treatment strategies. The research on ivermectin in cancer therapy is still in its early stages. However, the findings from 2024 are highly encouraging. They provide a strong rationale for further investigation. The next crucial step is to conduct rigorous clinical trials in humans. Clinical trials will help determine the optimal dosages of ivermectin for cancer treatment. They will assess its safety profile and potential side effects. Most importantly, they will provide definitive answers about its effectiveness in fighting different types of cancer. The potential of repurposing existing drugs like ivermectin for cancer treatment is immense. It offers several advantages over developing completely new drugs, reduced development costs and time. Ivermectin is already FDA approved for other uses, which can significantly speed up the approval process for cancer treatment. Established safety profiles. Doctors already understand the potential side effects of ivermectin, making it easier to manage any risks. Potentially lower costs. Repurposed drugs are often more affordable than newly developed ones. The journey from promising laboratory findings to an approved cancer treatment is long and challenging. However, the 2024 research on ivermectin provides a beacon of hope. It underscores the importance of exploring all avenues in the fight against cancer.